particularly in the case where the couple is from different faith, they have to use special marriage act. They cannot use a religious marriage for the marriage for solemnization of the marriage. And it is discriminatory against interfaith couples where they have to wait for 30 days notice period. And in the case where they are applying from their own jurisdiction. But if they are not applying from their own jurisdiction, maybe they have gone to a different state for protection and safety, then that case further increases, that period further increases to 3 to 4 months. If you see, there is a law commission recommendation which categorically states, and which was taken by various organizations and social activists which are working on this issue, right to choose, honor-based crimes and all this. So, which recommends that this 30 days notice period should either be decreased or it should be completely waived off. All those people who have exercised this special marriage act for the marriage, including Athira, who filed that petition in Supreme Court, she also experienced the same problem. In Kerala, they are writing, they're giving all the details on the website. So after this website thing, it is coming on the website and anybody can access and use it against the couple. So basically, these are those groups and people who have religious affiliation, who take that personal interest to inform the families. It's 1872 Act, and it was amended in 1954. So basically, this overall concept of 30 days notice period was taken from Christian marriages, where they have notice period where somebody can object. Now, in Special Marriage Act, there are 4 grounds of objection. One is the couple is not within the marriageable age, and one of them or both of them are not in sound state of mental state where they can give their consent, free consent. They should not be within the degree of prohibited relationship, and then none of them should have a living spouse. Now, this is, to some extent, it is acceptable, but then this is, number one, it is not applicable for religious marriages. This notice period now is being used by religious fanatics, those people who feel that, it is their responsibility to stop the girl of their community to get married to a person of a different religious community. So they take, special pain, special interest. So they just take out the list. They send the name to the local religious body where the girl is residing. And then somebody will visit, and the overall plan of getting married will be exposed to the family. So as a result, the girl will face house confinement, confiscation of mobile, laptop, any access. She will lose her job because they will force her to stay at house. So it is not about only marriage. There are other rights of liberty, dignity, and education. The girl is deprived just because of this 30 days notice. Feel that right to choose is a fundamental human right. Now we are helping the couple to use Special Marriage Act, and besides that, there is also a Supreme Court direction where which is Shakti Vahini versus Union of India and others. It is 2018 direction, which is very clearly saying that each state and union territory of India should form special cells for couples, interfaith and intercaste couples, and the state may form a safe house for such couples in need. We are working for that in each state, and we have managed to get it done in Delhi. We are trying in other states. I would like to tell you that it is not only for cis couples, it is not only for interfaith and intercaste couples, it is also for queer couples. In case a couple gets in touch with us, then we provide them protection. If they need any kind of financial assistance, because most of the time they leave their house in an emergency, so we help them in that if required. And if there is a protection needed from court, we help them in getting a protection. After that, we help them in solemnization of marriage. This gives me, sense of satisfaction, because uh, there is nobody for such people who are trying to challenge this hegemony of caste, religion, and gender. There are very few, and for gender, of course, there are people. For caste and even for caste also there, but religion, there is nobody. They should not have a guilt of marrying. They should not have a feeling that what they have done is incorrect. The divide on the basis of caste, religion, and gender is increasing gradually. Uh, Unfortunately, it should have decreased, but it is increasing, and there are a lot of factors into it. Therefore, it is very important to identify such issues, to raise such issues time and again, and to talk to people that how important is coexistence, peaceful, equal coexistence of faith, as well as there should not be any discrimination on the name of caste, gender, region, language. I mean, these are the basic things which we have studied, and even these are the principles of religion.